Water yan. Nasaan yung...
Ooh, yummy!
Lagyan mo ng tubig para dyan.
Bomb for Hong Kong is now inviting. Thank you. Hello everyone. First line. And also we ask that you
1, 2, 3, go!
First breakfast enzyme. Si Mami, parang
Daddy!
Bakit hindi nakawala?
Kasi nga yung setup.
Kay Jomel! Go!
Tastes.
Bakit? Masarap naman ah!
Ako si...
Hi guys! So apparently, we have to talk in this vlog. Kasi boring. So nandito kami sa Skywalk, a very tall building. Woo! We're gonna buy some ice cream!
Pagdating sa... Yun na yan.
Yeah, kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss, kiss. 72 floors. Wow, tatapang.
I heard you on the phone. You took his number. Said you were alone. That you called
The aftermath.
Isn't he the guy? who left you?
Anong masasabi mo? Rate? Rate the food. Rate the food. Rate. Mga 6. Ako din 6 out of 10. 6. Mga 6. Hindi siya ganun like, oh, ikaw rate mo. Silent breakfast day 2.
Mamaya na lang.
When you remember those nights in his arms.
Happy birthday to talaga. Hi guys! So as you can see, nandito na kami sa I don't know, pero itim-itim ko na. Hindi na kita makita sa camera. Halos wala lang mukha.
So this is my outfit.
Against the color ka na.
Against the color.
Skirt from H&M. My Havaianas.
H&M, H&M. Lahat
Bra
na.
from H&M. Panty from H&M.
H&M.
Okay, bye. Okay, okay. Outfit check.
Outfit check.
Okay. So, top from,
Abercrombie.
pants from,
American Eagle.
shoes from,
OP.
Baduy. Baduy. Cap from.
DC.
Ayan, maganda, maganda. Mami, asawa mo. Kamusta ba yung trip niyong mag-jowa?
Ang saya-saya, pero
Kayo na lang. Kami? Siya pa nag-iw. Kuya Jo. Riding the boat to cross the lake, the river.
Someone's gonna break the stars above.
At I can see him. Hi. Pagod na. Aray ko. No, Mami. So,
natutulog.
ay, ganun. Okay. Let's eat. So, nagugutom na ako. Ako din. It's,
Mamahimatay ako.
it's 1:30 p.m. I guess.
Wait.
Ay, hindi ko magana.
Sira akong relo.
Oh, pakita mo.
My first gift using my
Oh, ba't naiyak ka?
money.
Say thank you, please.
Love you, Daddy. Iyak na naman ako. Asan ba yung tissue?
Outfit? Outfit check. Ano ba pinili? Okay na?